I'm just re-pressure washing the roof of the boiler because since a couple weeks it's gotten really sappy up there. So I should almost put a tarp on while I'm waiting. But yeah, so it needs a new fresh pressure wash. And then I'll see what else we get done today, and my sister's helping me too. Here we're about to try the ZEP floor polish wet look on the back. We just pressure washed the boiler, wiped it dry. We're gonna give her a go. There is a nice sheen. I don't know if you can see it. This is only after one coat of that polish. So it's really coming along. It needs 4 coats. So I'm going to do another coat. My sisters have left me to it. And then I'll show you after that coat. And then I'll keep working at it. Okay. So I've done, I think, 4 coats of the ZEP Floor Polish Mirror Shine. You ready to see it?